Happy day, children. Our next topic on class 3 English grammar is apostrophe. What is apostrophe? Where do we use apostrophe? Can you able to see the sign of apostrophe here? It's somewhat like a single closing quote we use at the end of a word, end of a noun to show the possession. The apostrophe is used to create possessives, to show contractions, to create some plural forms. Let's see briefly about using apostrophe. Number 1. To show possession. Possession is nothing but ownership. If something belongs to someone, we used to say as my brother's pencils, my sister's books, my mother's dresses. So, to show the ownership, if something belongs to someone, we use the apostrophe. How do we add an apostrophe when we show the ownership? We add an apostrophe symbol with the S to a noun to show ownership. Let us see an example. This is Nikki's cat. We add an apostrophe next to the noun Nikki, proper noun Nikki, with the apostrophe and S. It shows the ownership below because the cat belongs to Nikki. This is Nikki's cat. My father's car. The car belongs to father. It shows the ownership. So, next to the noun father, we add an apostrophe with yes. Sheila's cycle. The cycle belongs to Sheila. It shows the ownership. So, we add an apostrophe with s next to the proper noun Sheila. But how do we add an apostrophe in the case of a plural noun? Because the plural nouns always ends with s or es. Boys, girls, shoes, radish, something like that. So, if the noun is plural, we add an apostrophe after the s or es to show the position. See the example here. The boys' bags. Here the noun is plural, boys. So, as the noun is plural, we add an apostrophe next to the s, boys, and then we add an apostrophe to show the position. The boys, apostrophe, bags. The monkey's tails. The girl's toys. So, in these cases, the noun is plural. If the noun is plural, we should add an apostrophe next to the s or es. Will it work out with the words like children, men? No, because we can't say children's with an apostrophe or men's and at the last with the apostrophe, because children and men, it already refers to the plural. So, in these words like children, men, we add an apostrophe like children with the apostrophe s and men with the apostrophe yes. So we have to be careful while adding an apostrophe when the noun is plural. How do we add an apostrophe in the case of proper noun which ends with s or es? If the proper noun is ending with s or es, we add an apostrophe after the s. James apostrophe s pencil. Keats apostrophe s poem. But in the case of non-living things, we cannot use the apostrophe with yes. This is the table which shows you the using apostrophe when the noun is singular and when the noun is plural. So you all know when the noun is singular, we write the noun then an apostrophe with the s to show the position. But when the noun is plural, we add the apostrophe after the s or es. You know, sometimes the apostrophe with s is used for the plural forms of letters, figures, and symbols. See the examples here. There are 3 zeros in 1000. Here we use the apostrophe for the figures. The word letter contains two T's. We use the apostrophe for letters also. So, the apostrophe is not only used to show the position, it is used for the plural forms of letters, figures and symbols also. Now, this is the main usage of apostrophe. As how we use the apostrophe in showing position, we use the apostrophe in contraction. Contraction is nothing but a shortened word where we put two words together. See the examples given here. We used to write it is as it with apostrophe s. They are as they with apostrophe re. Likewise for who is, we are, you are. So, to make the two words together and shorten, we use the apostrophe. This is called as apostrophe used in contraction. So, the apostrophe is used in position and contraction. If your apostrophe isn't doing one of these things, you don't need it. If it is not showing any contraction, if it is not showing any position, we don't need to use the apostrophe. So, I think children, now you all are clear where do we use the apostrophe and how does we add the apostrophe in the singular noun, plural noun, in the letters, figures, proper noun, etc. Thank you children.